How to find your T-Mobile transfer PIN. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the easy ways to get your T-Mobile transfer PIN so you can move your number to another carrier. If you're trying to port your number and the new carrier keeps asking for a transfer PIN, that's T-Mobile's temporary port out code used for security. It's quick to get. I'll show you the official methods so you can grab the PIN and finish the transfer. Here's what you need to do. Method 1. Generate the transfer PIN in the T-Mobile app. Open the T-Mobile, that's T-Life or My T-Mobile app, sign in as the primary account holder, go to Profile/Line Settings, then choose Request a Transfer PIN or Get a Transfer PIN. The temporary PIN will display on screen. Method 2. Get it from the T-Mobile website, my.tmobile.com. Log in at my.tmobile.com, open My Account, then Profile, then Line Settings, and select Request a Transfer PIN or Get a Transfer PIN for the line you want to move. The site will generate the temporary PIN for you. Method 3. Dial the short code. #7678, #. On your T-Mobile phone, dial #port, that's #7678, #. In many cases, you'll receive a text with a 6-digit port-out PIN instantly. If this doesn't work for your account type, use the app or website instead. Method 4. Call T-Mobile customer support or 611. If you can't access the app or website, call 611 from your T-Mobile phone or 1-800-937-8997 and ask them to generate a temporary transfer PIN. They'll verify your identity first. This is also the route if you are not the primary account holder. Method 5. Visit a T-Mobile store with ID and the account owner. Store staff can help verify account ownership and assist with generating the transfer PIN or removing port-out protection. If you get stuck, double-check you're signed in as the primary account holder. Only they can request the temporary PIN in many cases. And that's it. Use the app, website, dial #port, or contact support to get your T-Mobile transfer PIN and finish your port. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick, practical guides.